Hey, so just to walk you through the step-by-step process of what we have planned so far. So obviously I cleared everything out of the kitchen, got everything organized. That took 1 to 2 days. The toughest part is figuring out where everything's gonna fit and go and organizing everything. So anyone who's a little bit more of a perfectionist might take you a little bit longer. After that, we're going to demolish everything, tear out all of the cabinets, remove the drop ceiling, and then we're having an electrician come in and do rewiring for the lights. After that, we're gonna get drywall in here with the drywall contact. He'll come in and he'll finish off like the ceiling and the walls, fix everything up, make it relatively pretty. We'll get the electrician back in here to finish the lighting. And then after that, we're going to reach out to our contractor contact, can help us with like measurements and walking us through like ordering to make sure that we get everything spot on. And then Jeff and I will finish everything up. And yeah, what we're gonna do with the old appliances, I did get some questions about that. We're actually going to donate them to Habitat for Humanity. So if you have any old appliances, old cabinets even, sometimes they'll take those. Just reach out to your local contact, and a lot of the time they'll come to your house and remove it for free, and it's a really great way to donate to the community. So if you have any other questions about my step-by-step process, if you need a little bit more details, just let me know and I'll try to answer it with more videos. Thanks.